Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 2 ways to make rice water. First things first, I take my rice and I wash it off. I want to get all of that extra chemical off of the rice. If you watch my wash day routine, then you know that I use rice water, I use aloe, I use different greases during my wash day routine and after to style it. So I wanted to make different videos just to show you how I make these products. So after I wash my rice, I take the rice that was washed, I add water, and then I use a funnel just to get that water in the rice into a mason jar without making a mess everywhere. As you see, it goes in perfectly. If there's any extra rice, I just take it out. And the reason why you want to use a mason jar is because of the airtight seal. You want all of that rice and water to kind of ferment. In a sense, that's where you get all of the richness from the rice water. Rice water without any essential oils, any citrus, smells really bad. And when I say it smells bad, it smells really bad. So what I do is I use different essential oils and I use citrus. So here I'm going to use orange peel, and then I use different essential oils. So I'll use either tea tree oil, peppermint oil, orange oil, all kinds of oils, and you can actually mix all three together like I did here. And there's no set amount of drops that you have to put in. I just put in however many, and here I am just cutting the orange peel to add to the rice water. And sometimes I'll let this sit here for a week, 2 weeks. I think with orange peel, the most or the longest I let it sit there was about 2 weeks. And just close that really tight to get that seal in there and to let it ferment. I ended up making 2 of them because for the amount of hair that I have, 1 jar isn't enough, so I tend to make it in batches of 2 or 3 sometimes. Same thing, just adding some orange peels, close it really tight, and I just let it sit right on my countertop. It doesn't need like sun or anything like that. All you really need to use is a mason jar. So here we are 10 days later, and as you can see, there are some bubbles in the jar, and this just shows that the seal was very tight, so it was able to ferment pretty well. And all I'm going to do is take this rice water and I'm going to add it to our spray bottle so it's easier for me to spray it into my hair. I'm going to use a funnel, as you can see right here. I'm going to use a strainer, but first I want you to hear this. Did you hear that? That shows that that seal was really good. Then I take a strainer, I add it to my funnel like right on top. This way I don't get rice into my bottle, and I just add the rice water to the bottle this way. And I try to get every little bit. If you notice, I took the second bottle or the second jar of rice water and I'm adding it to the bottle, and I'll show you the amount that I get from both jars. Get every little bit of rice water, add the spray to it, and here's the amount. We got 550 mLs of rice water. Good stuff for the hair. Next, I'm going to show you guys a different way to make rice water. So I just take rice, water, lemon peel, and I boil this on low heat for about 30 minutes. And then I just transfer it the same exact way into a mason jar. The biggest difference is this jar will not have rice. It will just be water, well, the rice water that was boiled. I'll take just the water, add some lemon peel, add some essential oils just because I don't want that smell, and I'll let it sit there. With this batch, I made this one without rice, just the boiled rice water, and then I made 2 that were rice water, the actual rice added to the jar, and some lemon peels as well. These 3 I will let sit there for about a month, and then I'll apply it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found it helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and also remember to subscribe down below. See you in the next video.